Hi friends, it's Fran and Coli from Coli Hearts.
Hello.
And we want to send you guys a very warm welcome to our channel. So we listen to your feedback, and since many of our clients prefer to have their items shipped to them and assemble them themselves, we're going to be posting some how-to videos to make that process a little bit easier for you guys. So today we're going to be starting with one of our most popular boxes, which is
our craft box with the cellophane window.
Alright, and that's the square box, correct?
The square box.
Alright, and what kind of events do clients normally use this box for?
A lot of clients like to use this box for different types of showers. Wedding shower, bridal shower, baby shower, birthday parties, or any type of family gathering or special event.
Okay, and what kind of items do they usually like to put in them?
Something that's really popular for this box is the candle holder. This is our custom candle holder.
Okay.
It has a round cello window.
Alright. So when they get their box in the mail, how will the box arrive?
The box will arrive flat.
Okay. Alright, and what's the first thing they need to do?
The first thing you're going to want to do is fold all of your creases. When it arrives, you'll see this piece of double-sided tape, and you should be able to see all of the crease lines.
So it'll come already with the crease lines in it, you guys. And they're very easy to see. Okay?
What you want to do is fold all of your crease lines carefully. And you can see these crease lines.
You want to go all around.
All around the box.
Fold each one. If it has a cellophane window, do they fold that as well?
Make sure on the box with the cellophane window that this crease line across the top, that you fold it really well.
Okay.
You want to fold that really well before assembling the box.
Alright, so once they have all of their crease lines folded, what's their next step?
Your next step will be to peel off the double-sided tape and fold the box in half.
Okay, so show them that one more time. So you have your box laying flat. Okay.
You're going to fold it like the doors of a church, closed. The top and the side where your double-sided tape is. Then you're going to peel off the double-sided tape and just fold this side in.
Alright, that's it.
And that's it.
Okay.
And fold it one more time, just to be sure that you have all of your creases folded. And your box will look something like this.
Okay, and what's the next step?
The next step is you want to start closing the box. So you'll have a side that looks like a Y, this piece, and you'll have two side flaps, and then this one piece that looks kind of like a U shape. So you'll push the U down, push the two side flaps over the U, like that, and then the Y, simply push it through that hole, through the slot, and it's closed.
Alright, you want to show them that one more time?
Once more. So you have the Y, two side pieces, and the side piece that looks like a U. Open everything up. First you're going to push the U down and fold your two side flaps over the U. Looks like that. And then the Y will just simply push through that hole in the middle, like that.
Alright, next step?
Next step is sit your box up, and there's the thumb hole, the finger hole. You have your two side flaps. You'll push those down. Make sure that this top piece is creased, and just simply push it in where the finger hole is, and the box is assembled.
And that is complete. Very simple. Very simple, you guys. You can finish your box with ribbon if you would like to accent it, or without if you don't. So that is our, what is this box, Mom? Our square box
Square box.
with a cellophane window.
And you can order it with or without the cellophane window.
Alright, so that is it for today, you guys. We hope you enjoyed this video. We hope it was helpful. Make sure you follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Tumblr. Everything is at Coli Hearts, and all of the links will be listed in the bottom bar below. We love feedback, so like, comment, and subscribe. Look out for future prizes and giveaways, and we will see you all in the next video. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.